make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell symbol to get notified of my new video uploads.
That Aprilia is looking proper. But you know what, guys? A lot of us bikers are always looking for the next perfect motorcycle. We're always looking for that better motorcycle, like, oh, something new's coming out, it's got more power, or it's got some extra electronics on it, or it looks sicker. Oh man, that looks perfect, dude, I gotta get it. And you know, it's like we're chasing our tail. We're always going after these new bikes, trying to find that perfect motorcycle. You know, what is a perfect motorcycle? I'm going to tell you what my idea of a perfect motorcycle is.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
I gotta make sure to connect my tether to my airbag vest. This helps keeping me safe out here on the streets. And I tell you, if you don't get any other gear, guys, definitely get obviously a helmet and this airbag vest, man, because this thing is awesome. If you get ejected from the bike, it blows up, it supports your neck, your back, all your vital organs, everything. It's proven to keep you safe out there, man. Link to get this and my carbon fiber helmet with mirror shield. It's super lightweight. My C armor jacket is keeping me nice and cool out here on this hot day, and it's very inexpensive, by the way, and I've had it for many years. Leather pants, boots, gloves, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. So is this a perfect motorcycle? This 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. I tell you, it has a really big name though. This is an absolutely awesome motorcycle, but it does have its faults. It heats up, especially on this hot summer day, man. This is where I miss my CBR 1000 RR, because that thing never heated up, man. I don't know how they pulled it off with that CBR, but this thing, man, woo! Look at that. Look at the temperature. 217 degrees, boy. And you feeling some heat. It's not real bad, but it'll be appreciated come fall and the winter time, of course. But this V4 is amazing, guys. This 1100 V4, oh my goodness. Amazing, man, especially with a pipe on it. Absolutely awesome bike. But I'm searching for the next more perfect motorcycle. You know, I wanted to try the new KTM 1290 Super Duke R, possibly that new 2020 that's coming out. I hear that's been improved upon, more power, more refinements, and looks a little better with the new trellis frame. And but what I would, for me personally, what I would like to see in a motorcycle that would be perfect for me would be if they made a motorcycle with adjustable ergonomics. They make a super bike or super sport with adjustable ergonomics. They did that, KTM did that back in the day. I don't know if you guys remember with the KTM RC8 super bike. That had adjustable ergonomics. You could adjust the bars, you could adjust the foot pegs, and I think you could adjust the seat. I don't know, but I thought that was absolutely amazing about that bike. Is, I mean, because that's perfect, because you know, when you're riding out here on the street, you'll be able to adjust the bars up, lower the pegs, you know, put the seat more flat so you're not angled down, and have a nice ride out here. And then when you get to the track, set it back to a more aggressive riding position, have fun. I don't know why they won't do that. Now there's a new electric motorcycle, I don't know if it's coming out or not, but I saw where they put the adjustable ergonomics on it. It's a super bike that's electric, but it has adjustable ergonomics, and I think that's absolutely amazing. Also, another thing that's amazing, which I have on my 2019 YZ450FX Supermoto that I did a build series on and conversion. If you haven't seen that build series, I'll include the video link in the description and comment section of the video. But what's amazing with that bike, amongst a lot of things, the power's awesome, but and it's lightweight. But what's really cool that sets itself apart from all the other dirt bikes out there and supermotos is that on my smartphone I can tune the character of the engine. You can create your own map, custom engine map, or you can use the ones that are that Yamaha provides, where it one for more torque, one for MX track, one for high revving, one with more subdued power. I mean, or like I said, create your own. I have yet to do that because the two maps that are on the bike right now are awesome. It's like I don't want to change it. I don't want to mess it up, because the first map on the bike is aggressive, and then the second map is more calms the power down, so when you head into the woods that it's you know, it's not such a violent power like the first map is, which I love that violent power out here on the streets. But I would love to see them do that with a street bike, you know, with a sport bike, to be able to tune the bike with your phone, to be able to mess around, throw a bit more torque down low on the bottom, more power down low, or in the middle, up top, right from your smartphone. I love that on my YZ. I don't know why they don't do it with all the sport bikes, but yeah, adjustable ergonomics on the bike, create custom maps on your smartphone, and by the way, you can share custom maps between your friends on the smartphone. So if they make a really sick map, they're like, hey man, dude, I created this really sick map, check it out. He can send it to you, and then you can put it on your bike and enjoy it as well, which I think is awesome. I think that's the future, man. And also, of course, I'd like to see them reduce the heat on these super bikes. Like, I don't know how they did it with the CBR, my former 2012 CBR 1000 RR, but that thing did not produce any heat. It was absolutely perfect. It was too perfect that people called it boring, because it was so butter smooth, the throttle, but it's powerful still, and no heat, good looking bike, super ultra reliable, man. So that would be my perfect bike if they can come up with those adjustable ergonomics and change the map, and no heat, and some other amenities on the bike. And you know what though, even if they created that bike, we're still going to be looking for something better in the future. It's never going to end. We're always going to be looking for that perfect bike. It's like a dog chasing his tail. We're going to continually be looking for that new awesome bike that's coming out. And honestly, it's probably going to get worse going in the come the future, because we're not in the future. They're probably going to ban fossil fuel combustion engines. We're probably going to be forced to ride electric motorcycles out here. Honestly, the day they do that is the day I probably quit riding a motorcycle. I'm just not hip with electric bikes, mainly because there's no sound. But maybe if they put a soundtrack on the electric bike. Hey, look, check it out, we got a night ride special. I was gonna get one of those, and but I'll tell you guys, you know, if they put a soundtrack on the electric bike, and they have provide some sort of quick supercharge up at the gas stations, every gas station, every one of them, then I may consider getting a electric bike, maybe. But that's a long ways off. Who knows what the future, you know, I may not even be riding by then. Who knows, man? I hope so, though. I hope to be riding a long time. But I don't know, man, about switching electric, though. I know the electric bikes are fun, don't get me wrong, because they have a ton of torque. But the lack of sound, like this thing with this stock pipe is really irritating me with this sound, man. It's scooter sound. You know, I hate it. I miss my CBR 1000 RR's Hyperflow exhaust. I truly do. And see what's going on over here. Maybe pick up some Chinese food over here, if it's still over here. Hey, look, we got the Chinese place over here no more. They shut it down. I want to get some Chinese food. Yeah, it's right here, baby. Haha. Get some Chinese food. So I don't know, guys, leave a comment below. What is your idea of a perfect motorcycle? Like, what do you want to see on a motorcycle? I want to see them put more power down low on bikes, like a ton of torque, like they did with the X Diablo. Man, that thing had a lot of bottom end punch, dude. That thing was sick. That's what you want for the street out here. That's why I love my YZ450FX so much, is because that thing, man, it just rips off the bottom, boy. Just, it wheelies itself, man. The thing is, it's so fun. I tell you guys, more fun than any of these sport bikes. I tell you, that's what you got to get, baby. You got to get you a Supermoto 450, baby. I don't know, maybe these manufacturers will listen to us and actually implement a change. I felt like they did that with the Honda CRF 450L. In my video way back, I talked about getting after Japan for not building a street legal dirt bike like KTM did with their 500, you know, their 350 and 500 lineup, and a lot of other European manufacturers that created street legal dirt bikes. Honda stepped up and they broke out of the box and they created that CRF 450L, and I think it's awesome, man, that they did that, even though they put all the carb crap, which they had to by law, which dumbs down the power and everything, but you can mod it. But honestly, if you live in a state like I do here in Ohio, that allows for you to convert a dirt bike to street legal so easy, even a two-stroke, honestly, you're better off doing it that way. Because that way, all you have to do is just put the street legal lights crap on and stuff like that, like I did. Which, like I said, if you want to see that build series, I have the link in the description and comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my All Over Motorcycle channel, and make sure you hit the bell symbol so that you get notified when I upload my new videos. Stay safe out there. Keep it on two wheels.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.